Let's look at XCN. I'm doing more XCN videos recently because for some reason, it's getting a lot of views. So it looks like to me on my channel, XCN is like the new jazz mute. So I'll look at XCN more often. If you guys enjoy it, appreciate if you hit the likes and subscribe. This helps support the channel. If you guys want to check out the Discord or my training group, link to join is in the description below. It's $30 a month. Let's look at XCN right now. So I'm going to go from the daily time frame on down. On the daily time frame, I showed you, I think this could be a possibility. Maybe it's not the case, but the possibility is that XCN is in a massive bull pennant forming right now. So here's your flagpole, and then this would be your flag itself. And then you get kind of a really rough measured move if this breaks up, which happens if it is a bullpen, and this happens about 70% of the time. Your measured move would get you to 8.5. That's like a 3 or 4x from here. But first things first, you have to get the bounce here at the support of 2.2. The daily time frame you can see is trying to get the bounce, kind of failing in my opinion. 12-hour time frame doesn't look great. 8-hour time frame kind of struggling. The one situation that is good is the money flow is low on these time frames. The 4-hour time frame, if we zoom in, I said even more recently, the bear flag or descending, that's a descending triangle. It broke to the downside. It hasn't hit the measure move yet, but it might. But right now you had a falling wedge. You did break out very short term, and now I guess you could say this is another falling wedge. Can you get the love to the upside here? I mean, because that's, in my opinion, as of right now, a lower low, I'm not very bullish on this falling wedge here on the 4-hour time frame. If we go to the 1-hour time frame, it does have legs to go to the upside, but you have to hold this most recent low here at 2.2, or even what was the low? 2.19. So if you don't hold 2.19, 2.19 cents, it's very bearish for XCN. If you do start to get the move to the upside or continue to move to the upside, your measured move is 2.7 cents on XCN. If I look at the half-hour time frame, that's overbought. And as far as I'm concerned, that's a lower high. The previous high was 2.366. Now you're kind of making a lower low. The lower high, I mean. So I don't love what I'm seeing on XCN. Smaller time frames, the 15-minute time frame, same thing. Can you continue to move here? And at this point, that's almost a rising wedge. So XC, I won't say that's a rising wedge, but that is not a good look. Like, you're not getting the V-shaped bottom, you're not getting a rounded bottom, it's just kind of struggling. You're making lower highs, and you're making lower highs on the RSI and lower high, well, not on the RSI, but you're making lower highs in price action. So every time you get overbought, you're making a lower high in price action. So to me, it's bearish, and I would say I can't really even be bullish on XCN short term until you crack 2.3 cents, which isn't far away. If you crack that level, we can be looking for a bigger move to the upside. If you do crack 2.32, I'd be looking for 3.2 cents on XCN. That's just where I stand with it. If you guys enjoyed this, appreciate it again if you hit the like and subscribe. And if you guys have other requests for altcoins, let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the live stream tomorrow night at 11 p.m. Central Time, which will be on Clapper and on YouTube. Cheers.